What's up, guys? This is some of my beard grooming tips. I am definitely a beard guy, beard growing guy. All about it. Love the joke. There's only two types of people in the world that don't grow beards, women and children. Some exceptions to both of those, I suppose. Anyways, so I typically, if I'm going to buy a product, I do enjoy Badger Beard Balm or Badger Beard Oil. I've shared it with a lot of people over the years, and in that time, maybe one person has said they didn't like the smell of it. Now two, I guess. My daughter seems to always say that she doesn't like the smell of it, but my wife is always like, that smells like Fruit Loops. What smells like Fruit Loops around here? And I was like, honey, I think it's my beard balm. But anyway, so definitely beard balm. Gotta have it. I've also gotten, there is a Conair Man. They have a aluminum brush, and it's pretty cool. It's good for like final grooming and like not deep grooming for combing your beard and stuff. Like if you put it deep inside your beard and like try and pull it through, it can really yank on your hairs. But I found that this is a very good comb for finishing touches kind of deal on the beard. And it's anti-static. I don't know how they made this aluminum thing anti-static, but that's pretty sweet, and it travels very well, you know. I also have a Conair Man wood comb, and that is actually my favorite go-to. They say it can help with preventing ingrown hairs, and it can help if you start from under the chin and pull your beard and comb your beard out, then it will help it look and appear more full, and it can be very beneficial for preventing ingrown hairs. So that's probably my favorite, but it just sucks because you can't really take them with you, and some of the ones in the store, like, they dry and crack where I live because it's a very dry, arid, high desert, as it's called. Other than that, I also make my own beard balms at home, and I usually use like 1 ounce of a carrier oil. My favorite carrier oil is going to be argon oil, and 20 drops of essential oils, my choice. I usually stay away from certain essential oils, typically lavender I stay away from, and tea tree I stay away from. Both of those can be really good in very small amounts and with irregular use for men, but both of those can increase estrogen levels in men. And we live in a world where we're surrounded by plastics, and plastics are like a pseudo-estrogen in the first place, so it can be very difficult for men to have healthy hormone levels. Growing a beard can be one thing that can help hormone levels, as a matter of fact, and it's also beneficial for men because it can prevent and actually stop bad bacteria from going inside your mouth in a lot of ways, because it literally acts as a filter for the air around you and stuff. Not to mention how I've enjoyed the benefits of having a longer beard through my other video you could watch about haircuts and moon phases. Check that out. But yeah, carrier oils, there's a lot of them to choose from. Argan is definitely my favorite. I said that. But there's also jojoba. Argan is amazing because it's really good. It's about the same consistency as the natural oils, and it's absorbed very fast. And I found the more I used it, the less I needed it. It's very moisture rich and nourishing to your skin. Jojoba is very similar in that respect, but there's just something about argan that I prefer these days. So argan, jojoba, you could even do almond oil, or, oh yeah, by the way, jojoba is spelled Jojo. It's actually Hispanic Mexican derivative naming. So a lot of people come around and be like, hey, jojoba, you got any jojoba oil? And I'm like, let me show you. I always laugh, but I don't usually correct people because that's just not my thing. You can say what you want. Anyways, so 1 ounce, 20 drops of essential oils. I do typically enjoy frankincense in my essential oil blends, and citrus. I think those two go together perfectly, like orange in frankincense. Both of those can be good and beneficial for deep breathing and overall mood and relaxation, and at the same time mental alertness. So that's the cool thing about those two. Other than that, I think I covered some of the brief things I wanted to talk about, and I think that's all I got to say for you guys. Stay healthy.